How to edit audio in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just open up a blank design like this one. And then let's say we're going to add an audio here. So let's just click on elements here and then search for audio. Then click on audio here. And then let's just choose this one here to add it to our timeline. Okay, now we can see our audio here at the bottom. Now if you want to edit it, you can just click on it. And then you can see options here that you can do. You can just right click here. If you want to split it, let's split the audio. You can also change the volume here. And then you can also do a fade in, fade out of the audio. So you can also shorten it here. So there are a bunch of options here available. Just play around with it. And then you can see the adjust option here as well. Choose which one you want it to start with. Okay. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.